right here. Big mall right here. KFC, all kinds of stuff in there. You can see some of it right there. Cops Market. This food. But this is kind of interesting to me. This building right here. We got like whole garden bar, another bar, and a roof bar. Pretty cool. And this is a famous building that's been abandoned. Sometimes people will try to climb that. Climb the stairs, even though there's no elevator. Look up there. Try to go pick up. There's a train coming across right there too. Okay. This is Bangrak Bazaar at nighttime. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're walking Bangrak, and we're walking north. So we're gonna walk along at nighttime. Try to navigate these crowds. Yeah, it's just pretty crowded streets. Massage. It has some of the best pad thai. Okay. So nighttime, walking north of Bangrak, and I'm going to try to walk towards Sukhumvit. Probably takes me 45 minutes, but possibly an hour even. But I think it might be an interesting walk, and right now the lighting is really good. Quite crowded. Amazon Cafe is over there. Shangri-La Hotel, okay. Oh, this is a street that I saw not too long ago, and I really liked it. Let's look at this. It's quiet. So, okay. 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 So I think we're not going to walk down too far, but there's a temple right there. It's just kind of a cool looking street in general. We're going to walk down this way. This whole corner has a lot of massage places. So, okay. Pretty cool housing up here too. Show you some of this housing. You can see that at nighttime, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, something about this corner. I quite like it. Cafe Amazon is over there in the corner. And actually this street too is a pretty mellow street. I don't know if I'm going to walk it or not. That street. So I said I'm going to walk on the busy street. I think it might be better for the... That's not too bad. It was busier just back a little bit, but now it's a little bit more relaxed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just keep walking straight up here, and then I'm going to take a right. Let's see, this is already at 5.5 minutes, so I might just conclude this in a minute or two. Bunch of suits, just suit shops everywhere here, all clustered together, super gyms. Okay, so we're gonna conclude in this spot right here. Don Silom. So I'm just gonna capture some of this kind of cool outdoor cafe and also this beautiful painting right on the wall. And this one, Shangri-La Hotel. This one is State Tower, Bangkok. What we're gonna do is walk directly down Danan, Silom at nighttime. See what we can see. It's okay. Not as lit as the other street, but we'll go down it a little bit anyways and just see if it changes a little bit. So this is where we just came from. State Tower, Bangrak. That would go towards the old town. Then the way that we're going is towards Silom. So this is called Silom Road. It looks like it's gonna be fairly uneventful. So I'll turn off the camera until it becomes more interesting. So as you see, this is Silom village. We're just gonna see a little bit. We're still walking down same street. It kind of has some cool tourist stuff. So I just walked in there without the camera. Just a bunch of shops. Some of them were quite nice. Some kind of street food stuff that's set up. For the most part on the street, I'm just walking by gem traders, tailors, fast food, Thai Express and Dairy Queen, and the pizza company. And lots of vendors selling stuff on the sides. And I've had quite a few these guys. I'm trying to see if I want to go somewhere. Silom 22. So keep on going down the street a little bit. Quite a bit of stuff on this street too. It's the thing with Bangkok. There seems like there's things pretty much everywhere. There's the Indian temple over there. I think I saw that on the map, which might explain why there's more. So yeah, nice Indian temple over there. All right. See ya. Little street, side street. Silom 20. Okay.
Toma cuidado la voz.